What's up, the Chief here. Today going over traveling with your firearm. Now, it's actually a very easy process. Today I'll be going over some tips and tricks that I've come across that helped me throughout my years traveling the United States with my firearm. Now, I take my pistol everywhere, no matter where I go. California, Florida, New York, Nevada. No matter where I travel in the United States, bare minimum, I take my pistol. I travel with my rifle sometimes. I travel with my shotguns. I actually travel with all of them in one big giant Pelican case. Now, one of the requirements that the TSA says is it must be a lockable gun case. So it could be with a key. It could be with a padlock. Just go out and find yourself a gun case. Get a padlock. Get one. I got this one from Amazon for like 20, 30 bucks. This is from SnapSafe. It's steel. It's a very nice case. And with the foam and everything on there, guns don't move around at all in this case. I really like this case. So, first requirement, a lockable gun case. Second one, gun must be unloaded. Unload your firearm before you get to the airport. Second one is ammunition. You could travel with ammunition in your magazines. So load up your magazines, put them in there, lock your box. When you get to the airport, tell them you want to declare a firearm. They're going to give you a declaration piece of paper. It's about this big. Fill that piece of paper out. They're going to ask you to place it inside there. Sometimes they're going to ask you to see the firearm. Sometimes they won't. Sometimes they actually took me over to a TSA section. I couldn't carry my firearm over there. They took it over there for me. They opened it up. They checked to see if it was loaded. I asked them the reason why. They never gave me a reason. They closed it up, and it went out with my luggage. Now, one of the things that I do that's actually saved me twice was I got a piece of paper, taped it to the front of my gun case, and just have my name and my cell phone on there. Now, they're going to tell you if they need to open up your case, and I don't even know why they need to, but they may need to, and they've done it to me twice. They're going to call you over the PA. Now, put in my name and my cell phone number on the front. Saved me twice. They called me and said, "Hey, meet us over at this gate." They had my luggage door or my rifle case. One time it was my pistol, so they had my luggage. The other time they had my rifle case. And they said, "We need to open this up." I asked them why. They didn't give me a reason. Just open it up. I opened it up. They looked at it. They looked at each other. Cool. And then they closed it back up and went on their merry way. So that was it. So by putting my name and my cell phone number on the front of my case, they called me up and they said, "Hey, meet me there." Now, would I have heard it over the PA? Maybe or maybe not. But do you really want to take that chance? So putting that on there will save you some time, because if they can't open it up, I asked them, say, "Hey, so what happens if you couldn't get a hold of me?" "Oh, well, we'd have broke it open and it wouldn't have made it your final destination." So pretty much I wouldn't have had my firearm at the final destination. I had to wait till I come back, go to TSA, and then recover my firearm. So putting it on there saved me some screaming and yelling, because I'd have been freaking pissed. But, okay, so put it on there. Now, you get to your final destination, and you're standing there, and you're waiting for your bags. You're looking around like, where the hell are my bags? This is going to happen a lot, all right? I know it's kind of a pain in the butt, but you know what? It is what it is. You're standing there, and you're waiting, and you're looking around. You're like, where's my stuff? So you go to the claims, and sure enough, your bag is there, your luggage is there, or my rifle case was there. And it's Reynolds wrapped up, or sometimes plastic tied up. And I get it. There's been incidents where there's been people travel with their firearms. They they open up their bag and they just start shooting up the place. So of course you can't travel with a knife. So I couldn't open up my luggage or my rifle case until I got out, because it had plastic ties on there. So I get that method. All right, but I mean it should be consistent across the board. Sometimes it happens. Chicago, it happens about 70% of the time. California, it happened to me about 50% of the time. Nevada, it never happened to me. So it's not really a consistent policy. It should just be one day like, anyone who travels with a firearm, plastic tie it up. Get the biggest ones you got, plastic tie everything up. So it must be just like that plastic tie guy, or they got to deal with plastic ties. So just don't be discouraged. You're waiting for your bag, or start worrying. You're gonna worry probably anyways, but most of the time, if you're traveling with a firearm, there's a 50% chance it's going to get over to the claims. You have to show ID and to get your bag out. So I hope this helped you guys out, give you a little insight of what can happen. Hope that trick on the front helps you out. Well, hopefully it doesn't, but hopefully hopefully they put it on there. If they do need to get a hold of you, hopefully by them calling you help you out with that trick. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and God bless and stay safe, people.